Clear Bra, North Dallas, 2024 GMC AT4 2500. So it's 24 model. And here's the window sticker on this guy. Brand new. 87,020 bucks. Not bad. Okay, so full wrap Xpel Ultimate Plus paint protection film. We put a ceramic over it. That is a longer term than others, but this is a full wrap, full Xpel. These are obviously coming out so we can have no lines. These fender flares don't need to come off. We can get under here plenty. And this rail just lifts up. We use a thin card like this. It's a tinting, window tinting tool to open up rubber seals and stuff to slide in. But we easily just slide it under here like that. And there you go. We can slide our film under. No reason to take it apart. If you take these off, chances are they're gonna be distorted when you're pulling up the clips and stuff, and it won't go on even like that. So when you're taking these things apart, you gotta know what's gonna happen as a residual from yanking on it. And with those, you'll bend them, and you're looking at about $3 grand for all new rails. But anyway, let's go over the front end here. We'll start here. When we wrap all the PPF on this truck, we make sure that all these edges go underneath. They have to go underneath. These pieces might need to come off. These are easy to take off. We don't want any lines on that hood. Complicated hood. It's got a lot of lines. It's got a lot of deficits in it. So you want that PPF to go in nice and even, like there's nothing there. Great color. It's a new color for them. Let's see what that color was. This color, Titanium Rush. Titanium Rush Metallic. Great color. All these handles, when we wrap them in, all this goes underneath. We don't leave any lines out here. That's back in the day. Everything goes underneath. These here come off simple. No lines on the doors. You don't see any evidence of PPF anywhere on this vehicle. It all goes around. It's the bed. So there's our bed. It wraps around here. In our fuel area, everything wraps in these edges. And our roof gets the same treatment. The roof line, what happens here is we wrap under all this rubber. We shrink things down to get underneath these. Can't take this off, you have to take the headliner out, but we can get under it much using other pieces. But everything looks fantastic on this. Truck looks great. All wrapped back here on the edge. I mean, you don't see any evidence of film on these A-pillars. They wrap here, so that's your whole top of the truck. It wraps in, and then it wraps inside the door. So we don't have any edges on top here. This is the A-pillar that separates the windshield from the door. And it runs all the way around the framing of the cab itself. And I think that's about it. Just want to show you guys that all those edges get wrapped in. The bumper, everything gets wrapped in all around these. We don't take these out, but we just get them tight. Everything's underneath, no lines, everything's wrapped in. All these edges, everything looks fantastic. A lot of work in these trucks, a lot of pieces, a lot of sections. But there it is, 2024, our first 24 model car. AT4 HD for a full PPF. And some ceramic interior, window film, XR Plus. And I think that's about it. So any questions, clearbra.northdallas.com. I'm Brent. You can also get a hold of me at 214-414-3809. Have a good day. Thanks for watching.